Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lamar's, local and long-distance movers near me. For the best local movers in Lamar's Local 3 Movers is your best bet. With the team of local movers who have over a decade of experience moving properties in Lamar's 3 Movers has the best movers for your move. Lamar's 3 Movers also has the best safety measures to ensure no damage to your belongings. Your move is in the best hands with the experienced Lamar's local TM movers. Suppose you're moving from Lamar's to a city far from Lamar's or another state. Then you need the services of long-distance movers. Long-distance movers are more accustomed to out-of-state moves and can quickly help you move your belongings without damage. While you could let other movers help you, long-distance movers know different safety practices to prevent theft and ensure a seamless transition. Look no further than Lamar's long-distance 3 Movers for the best long-distance movers in Lamar's. Our long-distance Lamar's movers will double wrap your belongings and ensure that they arrive in your fragile items in the best way to prevent damage on such a long move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lamar's moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.